What's up, YouTube? It's your boy EJ Trades, and welcome to the first recap and journal, whatever you want to call it, um, of this YouTube channel. So, just going over the trades I took this session. First, I got to give all my glory to God for because without Him, I wouldn't be able to do these things. But as you can see, I'm trading two PAs and then six evals. So I have two other evals that's already passed, but I'm gonna activate them by Monday, I think. So I should be at 4 PAs, six evals, and then next month, hopefully, I'll get 10 what you call it, 10 eval or PAs. I'm getting them mixed, but yeah, I'm trading Apex with Apex Trader Funding. If you couldn't already tell, so in the futures market, um, they're still doing 90% until tonight, Thursday, uh, May 30th. So it should say 80% or 90% down there. But go ahead and use that code if you want 90% off. Really good deals going on. But yeah, that's not the point of this video. Um, I just want to go over my trades, um, see where everything went wrong. I ended up on the day. I think two losses, two winners, or something like that, or three winners, two losses. Ended up on the day, but really just want to I'm gonna use this channel to journal my trades, see what I could have done better. So let's get into it. So right here, I can tell that yeah, right here, I just see this like little triple bottom right here. So not really mad at it at what is that, 15? Yeah, 15. I see a little triple bottom. See a bottom right here on the 30-minute as well. Um, and we have VWAP behind it. So not mad at this trade. I forgot how it ended up though. I'm not gonna lie. Only thing I would say, probably give it a little more room or like put my entry a little higher just because there's a lot of liquidity to the upside. So you can kind of tell if price is going to get up there, it's probably going to continue on more. But let's see what happens. Let's see. Did I miss anything? Yeah, I like this setup though. Right here, it seems like we have like a quadruple bottom right here. So I'm not mad at this setup at all. So let's go ahead and fast forward. Is there a way? Oh, 30 seconds. Can I change this to like 10 seconds or something? Okay, as you can see, price is coming in. Can I fast forward at least? Let's see if I can fast forward. Open files, cast to device, video settings. Whatever, I just let it play. I'll just let it play. So you see it's shot through my target. Um, Hope y'all can hear me. Yeah, y'all can. It shot through my target. I think it does eventually head up to here to VWAP. That's why I probably should have waited a little longer. VWAP was up there, probably wanted a little VWAP bounce, and then also the liquidity reach up there. But not too mad at it. Mad at it. I could have had a better entry though, for sure. Probably like right here. You see this where my marker is? Probably could have had a better entry at whatever that price is, like around 20 something. Looking at it now, yeah, I probably could have had a better entry right there, but not too mad at it. Let's just fast forward a little bit. You see, I moved my stop about like 15 points. And right here, I'm seeing if I want to move my stop, and I ended up doing that because what I saw here was that I didn't like. Let me back it up a little bit. We're just hanging around this William or Wiseman alligator, whatever this alligator is called. And to be honest, if I put my entry up here, it would have been way better. But what I was seeing right here on the 1 minute is that we have this double top right here. So, and if price was to reverse or anything, it would be off of this. So that's why you see me move my stop just to protect my gains once we move down a little bit more. That's why you see me move my stop. And as you can see, once I move my stop, once I move my stop, go ahead, move your stop. Close out for $110 profit, and then fast forward a little bit, you see price ends up reversing anyway. It hits my original stop loss. So first trade, entry not so great, but My risk management, I see it. It was pretty good. It was pretty good. I think I got 7 points on this when I risked, or less than 7 points, and I risked like 8 points or something. So not too mad at it. But let's go ahead and continue forward to my next trade. Okay, let's see what this is. Okay, pause. Let's see what happens. Let's make sure I'm recording. Yeah, I'm recording. I'm looking for a buy. Oh, okay, I remember this trade. So yeah, liquidity is looking good. This trade, bad trade on me. I'm not even gonna lie. It's a bad trade on me. Yeah, we broke newer highs, recent highs at least. We had a couple breakup structures right here, and this is one of my setups. But I should have waited to see a bigger trend setup before this, because this is kind of like a just chop zone right here. This, excuse me, this little area right here. Probably should have waited a little longer looking at it. Yeah, because it just looks like we're just chopping. But I did see this little short run right here, and we wicked out or dojied out on this candle. So it's not really that bad of a trade, I guess. Oh, no, that trade didn't even get filled. So, I'm glad I removed it. So, yep, and the price continued down. I'm glad I removed it. Good job. Pat on the back. Good job, buddy. All right, let's see. Okay, so right here, let's see. What the fuck? I'm just trading at this point, huh? I'm just looking for trades. Okay, right here is not too bad. Double bottom. I think there's also a bottom on the 30-minute. So, not a bad trade. We're trending down. So, and it's on IBL, so initial balance low. So I'm not mad at this trade. Did I end up getting filled? Let's see. Oh, that was the first one where I was like a point short. Yeah, you're gonna see right here. Like it was a point away from filling me. But I ended up not getting filled, and it shot down. So it kind of sucks, but it's part of trading. What can you do? Yeah, as you can see, shoots up. And just fast forward some. Shoots up. I didn't get filled, and it shot all the way back down for like 20 points. So it is what it is. It's part of trading. Excuse me. So it is what it is. But here I see another one of my setups coming up down here. Let's see if I get filled. I do. And I do like this trade because we're in a downtrend, and everything's set up for one of my setups. So, and let's see how this played out. I'm not mad at this. See, if what I could have done better maybe is just stay out of it, but let's see what happens anyway. Let's see. So it shoots up, almost ticks me out for a 15-point loss. Let's see if I get ticked out. Nope, I was a tick away from getting ticked out, but price ends up going back, and then let's see what happens. And I was targeting the lows just because it looked like it was going to get heavy, but I would have eventually ended up being right. But because price went like 14 ticks in the opposite direction, I think I eventually just ended up bringing my stop down and just taking what I could. Yeah, taking 8 points. But I think price eventually does break the lows. So my original thesis was right. Just I did want to secure points. So I'm not too mad at it. Yeah, you see right there, it ends up breaking the low. So up 265 at that point of the day. And then let's see what happens. All right, this one was definitely an impatient trade. I tried to tell myself to not hop into trades for at least 5 minutes after the trade I just took. But right here, super impatient. Let's see. I don't think it's a terrible trade. A little wick test up here, a double wick test, untested wicks. So I don't think it's a terrible trade. Liquidity is on the other side as well. Actually, this was a pretty good trade in my opinion. I don't know what went wrong though. I moved my stop. Yeah, it's not a bad trade in my opinion. Maybe I need to focus more on the 5 minute than the 1 minute. But I don't think this is a terrible trade, especially because we're sitting at this 30-minute wick low too as well. I don't. Oh, let's see. I'm not mad at the trade. Yeah. So okay, I remember this trade. Yeah. I was telling myself probably to take like only like 5 points this trade just because like it's not a super duper good trade, but it's definitely a trade that could work in your favor for a couple points. So let's see. Yeah, I think let's see. Let's just let it play. Yeah, you see around there it starts to and when it goes in my favor a little bit. Let me just fast forward. Yeah, 6 points. Okay, that's where I messed up. Okay. I remember now. I moved my target down when I should have been just focused on my stop, and I ended up not getting my stop there on time, and it ended up coming back on me. So that's my fault. Um, I shouldn't be messing with my profit target at all. Should have took my points right here. Would have been done for the day, up like 300-400 bucks. But you know, you live and you learn when you're greedy, bro. So yep, that's what happens when you're greedy. And then I ended up getting stopped for a loss. So and then see, look again, impatientness. So took another trade, not a bad trade as well. Double bottom on the 30-minute chart, double bottom on the 5 minute, and then double bottom as well on the 1 minute. But should have been more patient. And also is part of one of my other trade strategies. Let's see if it happens. If I get filled. Let's see. Yeah, get filled. Let's see what happens. Goes in my favor a couple points. Okay, right here I should have took profit as well because as you can see, it tested the previous wick. So probably should have took my 6 points, but got greedy again. I wanted to look for how many points is that? 56 to 10 points so I can be up 400 on the day. But got greedy. Should have been done on the day from my other trades, but greediness got to me today, and I ended up getting stopped out for like a big loss. Ended up, it says up 10, but I was like down $5 because commissions and stuff. But right here, fan of this trade, last trade of the day. Um, got a sell or no? Let's see what happens. You have a sell at this wick test right here. It's also a previous wick test on the 30-minute. And it seemed like to be a high volume node in this area with some consolidation. So ended up placing a trade right there. Oh, and it's IBL. So yeah, definitely not mad at this trade. I think it does go against me for a little bit. Yeah, it went against me for like I think 10 points ish. But I ended up getting, let's see, I wanted 20 points out of this because you know I'm greedy. I mean, I was being greedy today. Should have took what the market gave me. But as you can see, I'm waiting for let's see where I put my stop. Give it 1 second. Because I remember I dragged my stop down to this area right here. You see where my cursor is. I dragged it to that area because that should be my first target. And I really wanted it to flush hard right here. Just because I just, you know, from experience of the market, that's what usually happens in this type of area. You see a big green push up and you see a huge flush down, but it wasn't giving it to me. So you end up seeing me just like, oh, almost get stopped out right there, but didn't get stopped out, thankfully. But you see me just end up holding my stop loss at a certain point. You'll see in a second. Let's see. Fast forward a little bit. Okay. Like what? Okay, there it is. All right, so you see that I ended up dragging my stop down because that was the huge push I was looking for. I wish it would have went more. I was placing it there because the first target is right here, and I thought that if we at least crack this, it was going to be a heavier push. So I placed my stop. I placed my stop a little bit too early. Ends up playing out for me. You're not going to see it because I cut the video short, but it ends up heavily pushing down to IB 1.25. So Would have worked out for the 20 points, but I'm not mad at it. I'm more mad at myself today for being greedy, because today probably would have been a big day for me on the first day on PAs. But it is what it is. You know what I mean? You can't be too greedy. You know what I mean? You see what happens when you are. Would have been up like 500-600 first day on the PAs and evals, but it is what it is. You know, things happen. You know, you can't really dwell on the past. You just got to move on to the next. You know, learn from your mistakes. But yeah, it's been your boy EJ Trades. I hope you guys had a blessed trading day. As well as use my code down there in the bottom left for 90% off. I know it says 80, but it's 90 and 1 day pass. And yeah, new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and sub for your boy. And it's been your boy EJ, and I'm out. Deuces.